Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add free shipping in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to add free shipping. So in the beginning when you create account, it's already set to free, but we want to add the free shipping if we have already added the shipping cost. So how to do this? Just this is the very simple. Just we have to click on the setting button. So just simply on the right down side you can see setting button. So simply go to settings. Now in shipping and delivery options, now here click create a new profile. So after click on create a new profile, you can simply open the new page, and now here you can see our shipping is standard free. So when it is 0.00, it's mean it's free. You can also check here. So in this way you can add a shipping free in Shopify.